How to create a main menu in Roblox Studio. Add screen GUI, starter GUI, name it menu. Add a frame for the menu window, name it menu, and edit it as desired. In this example, I'm using UI list layout to add alignment and spacing of the UI within this frame. In this menu frame, use two text buttons to make a play button and a credits button. And here's how to use UI list layout to add UI alignment in the frame. Decorate the menu page as you want. And these are the components you need. You can design more if you want. Added a new frame for the credits page, and edit as desired. In this credits frame, use one of the text buttons to create a back button. In this example, I added a new frame in the credits frame to customize the credits page. And these are the components you need. You can design more if you want. Added a pause button to the screen menu. Add local script to the screen menu, named MenuScript. Writing the script. This script handles the main menu interactions, including play and credits buttons, reference pages, buttons, and player controls. When the game starts, only the menu screen appears. The credit screen and pause button are hidden, and the player cannot walk or be controlled. Manage the visibility of the menu, pause button, and player controls. The menu page and pause button will alternately appear. There is no way to appear together. and use it to set player controls. Set the function of the buttons. When you press the play button, the menu page disappears, the pause button appears. When you press the credits button, the menu page disappears, the credits page appears. When you press the back button, the credits page disappears, the menu page appears. Click play in Roblox Studio and start testing. But right now, the pause button is not working because we haven't written a script for the pause button yet. Added another local script to the screen menu named PauseScript. Writing the script. When the player clicks the pause button, effectively pausing the game and returning the player to the main menu screen. Click play in Roblox Studio and start testing. You're now equipped to start coding in Roblox Studio. Let your creativity run wild and see what you can build.